I've been taking discovery calls and tracking my close rate since 2019. Here's what you need to know. It fluctuates quarter by quarter, and it usually trends lower when I'm not pre-qualifying prospects. The reason why this is important is because many business owners will take just about any sales call when they're first starting out. I was no different. But this resulted in a lot of time spent talking with prospects who weren't the right fit. In 2021, I started using a short qualification form to send to everyone who expressed interest in a discovery call before scheduling the call in our calendars. Not only did this help me get a better understanding of the prospect's needs and therefore be of greater value to them, but it also ensured they knew roughly what to expect from a budget perspective. This isn't about expecting prospects to be sure they're going to work with you before they get on a call. It's about making sure you don't spend hours upon hours of your time on calls with people who were never going to buy from you or who wouldn't be the right fit, even if they did. Sales calls are still an amazing way to qualify prospects and to close deals, but you want to do them right. That includes ensuring that you pre-qualify your prospects before they get on the call. Thanks for watching, and for more business and marketing tips, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.